So I bought this little lathe, bought it off eBay. It's quite old. My aim is to get it all working again properly. It's all quite free, there's nothing seized or nothing, but the only trouble is this bearing in here has got a bit of movement in it. And can I get the bugger out? I've got one of these things to go over there. It's not, doesn't quite fit over that wheel. Look how close that is. Like, very close. So I need to get this wheel off that way, push this shaft out through that way, and I think I could be able to change that bearing. That at the moment is the only stumbling block, so if anyone's got any suggestions, just please stick it in the comments and I'll see what you've got to contribute. Also, this is the motor that I've got, quite a beefy one. It's got this wheel on. I want to find one of these type of wheels to go on here, but I don't know what that's called. So again, stick it in the comments and you'll be helping me out massively. Right.